Let's learn animal sounds with Finn and Bubbles. Hey kids, do you want to learn animal sounds with me? Great! Here is a horse, a cow, a goat, a pig, a chicken, and a duck. Now, let's figure out what sounds they make. What animal makes the moo sound? That's right, the cow makes the moo sound. What animal says neigh? You got it, the horse says neigh. What animal makes a baa sound? Yes, the goat goes baa. What animal says oink oink? Perfect! The pig says oink oink. What animal makes a cluck cluck sound? That's it! The chicken says cluck cluck. And what animal says quack quack? Right again, the duck goes quack quack. Great job, everyone! You're amazing at animal sounds! Visit us at www.adventuresofscubajack.com for more fun learning.